In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a VLOOKUP, but we're going to use the approximate match lookup feature. So what I'm trying to do is for each person in this data set, I want to pull their bonus percentage from this set of data over into this column, column E. There's a couple of different ways you can do it. One method is to use the ifs function. I did that here, but the problem with using the ifs function is look at how complex this formula looks. So basically what I'm saying with this function is if the salary in C4 is greater than equal to 100,000, give me this percentage. If it's greater than equal to 60,000, give me this percentage, so on and so forth. And look at how long and complex that looks. I mean, it pulled all the percentages in correctly, but it just looks overly complex. It's an easier way to do it. We can easily pull the salary bonus percentage over just doing a VLOOKUP. So all we have to do is hit equal VLOOKUP, my search key, salary here, comma, the search range will be the data here. I'm gonna hit F4, I'm gonna lock that in place, comma. The index is going to be the second column in this set of data. So this column 2, and then for the is sorted, this data is sorted. It's sorted from smallest to largest. So we're gonna type true here. And when we type true, we're basically saying we want the approximate. Hit enter. And I'm gonna autofill this to the bottom. So I'm gonna check this and it pulls all the percentages, the salary bonus percentages from this set of data over into column E. And as you can see, everything matches up with the FS formula method. That is how you can do a VLOOKUP using the approximate match lookup. Now the algorithm thinks you would enjoy this video next.